morning everyone. Today is Saturday and I'm here with my friend Ja-yoon.
Hi.
Ja-yoon, tell the people where you're from.
I'm from Korea.
Yeah. What brings you to Taiwan?
I'm studying for 6 months.
And then she's leaving us. But Ja-yoon is also vegan. Woohoo.
Yeah.
So today we're going to Sun Moon Lake, which is a really popular tourist spot in Taiwan.
Yeah.
So I wanted to talk a bit about the transportation and how to get there, because the public transportation in Taiwan is really good. So I thought this would be a good time to talk about that. So right now we are walking to the train station in Changhua, and we will take a train to Shinmuji, which is where the Taichung high-speed rail station is. And then from there we'll take a shuttle bus to get to Sun Moon Lake. So we do not need to buy any tickets. We have this thing called an Easy Card. I'll show you what that looks like. And we use that to get around here using the buses and the trains. So you only really have to buy a train or bus ticket if you're going like really far away, or if it's like a popular weekend and you need to make sure you get a seat. So yeah, I'll keep you posted.
Please mind the gap. Thank you.
So we're on the Shinru side, and we have to go to the high-speed rail side. Yeah. Yeah. It's that easy. And you could just load money on this at 7-Eleven or Family Mart or the train station. Yeah, even if you go to tap and you don't have money, you just walk right to the counter and pay. Put some money on it. Always got Family Mart.
Wait, do we have to charge our card?
Oh yeah, we could do that. So we're gonna add some money to our Easy Card now. So Ja-yoon just asked, and the lady said you can't use your Easy Card to go to Sun Moon Lake, or like to just take the shuttle bus. You have to buy a ticket, which is fine, but I'm just confused because my friend said she used her Easy Card only for the high-speed rail.
Yeah.
Oh, you can use your Easy Card for the high-speed rail?
Yeah.
Huh, I thought you needed a ticket for that. I have it all mixed up. Bus to... Sun Moon Lake is in Nantou County. So you come right down the escalator and walk right to the Nantou bus desk. We got our tickets. $165 there, $165 back, which is only about $10 US round trip. So it's very affordable to go to Sun Moon Lake. Woo! Now we wait.
Yeah. A lot of line.
Yeah, long line. So excited.
They're changing seats.
Oh, so they can sit together. have a question for you.
Oh,
So, do you know why Sun Moon Lake is so popular?
I don't know. I have no idea.
Me either.
Because it's beautiful.
Yeah, I think like I told my students I was coming here, and they were like, "Oh, Sun Moon Lake, like it's so pretty." So I guess just because it's pretty.
I heard it is one of the biggest lake in Taiwan. And the name is really beautiful. You can hold sun and moon. It's enough to be.
Oh, it's big.
Yeah.
Cool. We just arrived. The bus ride took about an hour and a half. We both fell asleep on the bus and we got some food like right before we left, so we're gonna sit here and eat it while we wait for Jiayun's friends to meet us here. Yay! Trying our Tupperware after lunch. The weather is so beautiful today. I'm even chilly with my jacket and my jeans on, but I think that's because I'm Floridian. We both got passion fruit tea. I got passion fruit green tea, and Jiayun got passion fruit with, what is it called?
Dongwacha is winter melon tea.
Oh, winter melon tea. Okay. It almost tastes like butterscotch.
Oh.
It's like an interesting taste. I don't think I've ever had it. Everyone here on the side of the road is like, you want to rent a bicycle? You want to rent a bicycle? So we might rent a electric bicycle to take around the lake. We're asking how much it costs. I want this one. I want this bike. So I guess this is why it's called Sun Moon Lake. It's Taiwan's biggest mountain lake, which has a sun shape at the east side and a moon shape at the west side. It's 1:40. We're finally together with our group of 5. We're getting 2 double electric bikes and 1 single, and I'm getting the single. I'm a little nervous. It's kind of like a motorbike, but it looks like a bicycle, but you start it like this and it has a brake just like a motorbike. So hopefully this goes well. Kind of nervous. It has pedals, and then once we get on the bike trail, we start. Oh my god, oh my god. The walkway is kind of small for the bike trail. I thought it would be like bigger. Yay, yay, yay! You guys keep scaring me. It looks like you're gonna fall. Okay.
It's unstable.
You go.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Oh god, they made me nervous. So pretty. I saw some people kayaking and stand-up paddleboarding. I think I want to come back and do that. shouldn't be doing this, but I'm having so much fun, so I wanted to capture it. It's definitely, the road is not too difficult to bike on, but it is fun to try the electric bike for the first time. Row, row, row your boat down the stream. They look like they're struggling so hard. We made it back in one piece. My puppies! We made it! That was so much fun. If you come to Sunwin Lake, you have to rent a bike. I recommend the electric bike. If you want to like spend more time, maybe the regular bike and just like get a good exercise in. But since I don't ride a motorbike and stuff, the electric bike was just a really chill way to see a lot in a pretty short time. So I definitely recommend it. It was so much fun.
마음 가고 싶어. 흰겐 차 먹고 싶어. 흰겐 이거 마음 여기라서 여기가 약간 그거든요. 여기가 흰겐 스튜디오에서
Double YouTuber.
더블 유튜버.
Double YouTuber.
Go subscribe.
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 We made it back. On our way back. We stayed on the bus, the shuttle bus to Taichung, because we decided to meet up with some of my teaching friends to go to the Filipino disco. So we're gonna eat and then go party it up.
Yay!
Yeah! So the lady at the train station lied to us because most people did have their Easy card and just used that to take the shuttle bus, which I think was actually cheaper. But since we're talking about transportation, we are going to take the U-bike to go to the restaurant. So here they have like a shareable bike system where, again, you just use your Easy card that you use for the buses. So you tap on, tap off, and it calculates how far you went, and that's how it determines how much it costs. So it's super convenient. Your Easy card gets you very far here.
That's why its name is Easy Card.
Yeah!
The right direction.
So you just tap here, right?
I will show you.
I only took it one time before.
Oh really?
So here's a U-bike. And you just tap it on. Update, so the Easy card wasn't so easy because I have a couple different Easy cards, like one I keep in my other backpack and one I keep in my wallet. And the one time I already registered the U-bike, I used a different Easy card. So we're walking.